Hi everyone, and welcome to our first episode of Tech Tips Wednesday. If you are new here, I'm Godwin, and every Wednesday I hope to share useful tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we are diving into five keyboard shortcuts that can significantly boost your productivity. So let's get started. First up, we have the ever handy Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. These shortcuts for copy and paste can save you tons of time when working with text, images, and files. There you have it. Next, let's look at Alt tab, which allows you to quickly switch between open applications without using your mouse. It's perfect for multitasking. Third, we have Ctrl plus Z, the ultimate undo button. Made a mistake? No problem. Just press Ctrl plus Z to undo your last action. This works in most applications, from word processors to graphic design softwares. Another favorite is Ctrl Shift plus T. Ever close the browser tab by accident? This shortcut reopens your last closed tabs in a flash. As you can see, I had a lot of tabs which I closed while I was researching for this particular video, and there you have it. It reopens all my tabs that I closed. So I'm going back and forth between my last videos, or all the tabs that I opened while I was working on the last video. Everything is coming back. So Ctrl Shift plus T. Ctrl Shift plus T, Ctrl Shift plus T opens up a lot of tabs. And finally, Ctrl plus F is your go-to for finding specific words or phrases in a document or web page. Just hit Ctrl plus F, type in your search term, and jump directly to the relevant part of the text. So week 4, and there you have it, Ctrl F. While in Word, it will take you to the navigation pane, but on a regular browser, on a regular document or any page at all, let's say let me go to my channel. Say I'm going to look for the birthday surprise, right? So Ctrl plus F opens up this nice box, birthday surprise, and there you have it, birthday surprise, Ctrl F. And there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful keyboard shortcuts that can enhance your productivity. This is our first Tech Tips Wednesday video, and we hope to make this a weekly series. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips every Wednesday. Also, hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.